Hey everybody, Ian here for TradeStalker.com with a recap for you for the 16th of May 2018. Well, there's not much to say about this chart. It's pretty self-explanatory, and you can see how great the levels that Mike had given from the prior day worked out. We have, from the start there was this opening which was right at this 27.12 to 13 level. That was a resistance level given the prior day that's acting as support. And you can see we made it up to the 17, 18 level, a little bit above that, came back down, just barely, nicked that 13 to 12 level, double topped again, and then, made something of a double bottom here. So, range bound until we finally broke out. And then once we did break out, you can see how we got a little bit of a reaction off this 23 to 24 level, a few points, which is nice. And then a much more significant reaction off this 27.5 to 28.5 level, which actually ended up capping the market over here. The first time it just missed that level by a tick or two and came down, and then as we talk about how resistance becomes support, this initially was resistance, and now it's acting as support for a bounce, which then sold off from here straight down back into the 17 to 18 area again, and back up to the 23 to 24 area into the close. So just a nice day, pretty much textbook as far as the levels were concerned. And then also there's some ebook setups I see here looking at it as well. Mike in the trade room as well is really helpful to excuse me, to guide along as you're watching the market, as I've mentioned. And so hopefully you guys are getting a lot out of this. If you have any questions, you can contact Mike at tradestalker.com, and hope you have a great evening.